Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the water inlet spout in your washer-dryer combo, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the lower access panel. Detach the panel and set it aside. Remove the two rear access panel clips. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screws so you can detach the access panels. Use a short flathead screwdriver to help detach the spring clips securing the washer's top panel and lid. Pull the top panel forward, then lift up. If still intact, detach the inlet spout mounting tabs from the bracket. Use pliers to release the spring clamp to detach the hose from the old spout. Be prepared for some water to spill. Install the new water inlet spout by first attaching the hose and securing it with the spring clamp. Now insert the inlet spout tabs into the bracket until the spout is fully seated. Realign the top panel and lid on the washer and push the panel straight back. Be aware the lid switch wire connector on the panel needs to be fully connected with the receptacle on the frame. Reinsert the two spring clips to secure the panel. Reposition the rear access panels and rethread the screws. Reinsert the access panel clips. Reposition the lower access panel and secure it with the screws. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your washer-dryer combo should be ready for use.